So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to earn rewards through affiliate marketing on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, if you guys were to go to the bottom right here to where it says rewards, you can go ahead and get to the rewards page right here. So where it says earn rewards, you can earn up to 3% bonus on stables. You can also earn up to 3% back on spend if you have a MetaMask card. So if you want to go ahead and unlock these offers right here, you can just simply go ahead and kind of view them right this way. But if you guys want to earn rewards through affiliate marketing, how can you share your code or how can you access your code? Well, in the top right where there's the plus icon with the person and the gear, go ahead and select the first one, so the plus icon right here. Now, once you're on this page, you have your referral code, you have your referral link. You can share either one of these with different people, and you can actually get some rewards back in return. So you can go to the bottom, press on refer a friend, and once you guys successfully refer some friends here, you guys can then earn some rewards just by doing this. And this is all through, of course, affiliate marketing. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can earn rewards through affiliate marketing here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.